Hey guys, so for today's video I'm going to show you how to install this Everbilt. This is a slide action bolt lock. I'm going to install here on my gates. I have another one there that I have to install, so I bought two of them. I also bought a lock, 4 locks, and I'm going to install this because of some people going into my property. So for the tools we need, I have some impact wrench, the drill. I have this, and then basically we're just going to install the hardware. Okay, so let's get into it. Let's start.